Okay, so the focus of this video is to explain System 1 and System 2 thinking. These are two theoretical systems in cognitive psychology that guide each of our behaviors and account for our cognitions. Much of the time, they can contradict each other, and balancing the power of each can be seen as an acquired skill. So System 1 is a more primitive system. So from the evolutionary perspective, System 1 would be considered an older system. We share this type of thinking with many other species. It is intuitive, automatic, quick, and easy way of thinking and responding to our world. It is what we prefer to do, and it is what we usually find easy to do. From the evolutionary perspective, System 2 would be considered a newer system or mode of thinking. This type of thinking would be more characteristic in Homo sapiens. It is a more analytical, slow, and effortful way of reasoning. So it will be more exhausting for us because its tendency to burn our cognitive resources. As a demonstration, we are going to play a short little game called Would You Rather. So, would you rather solve this equation or this equation? I'll give you a second to think about it, but which of these two would be considered System 1 thinking? So obviously, 2 plus 2 equals 4. You probably did that in your head. It was quick, easy, and automatic. But what about the other equation? Did you give up? Or are you such an enthusiast for math that you got the answer right off the bat? So this simply demonstrates types of activities that would recruit either System 1 or System 2 thinking. Here are some more of those activities that would recruit System 1 or System 2. For System 1, we have detect that one object is more distant than another. Complete the phrase bread and. Make a disgust face when shown a horrible picture. Detect hostility in a voice. Answer 2 plus 2 equals, which we just did. Drive a car on an empty road. Find a strong move in chess. Understand simple sentences. And for System 2, we have focus attention on the clowns in the circus. Focus on the voice of a particular person in a crowded room. Maintain a faster walking speed than is natural for you. Monitor the appropriateness of your behavior in social situation. Tell someone your phone number. Park in a narrow space. Compare 2 washing machines for overall value. Check the validity of a complete logical argument. So these are all examples of System 2 thinking. Okay, so I hope by now you have taken away something from this video because it applies very well to many aspects of our lives. Knowing about these two systems will hopefully help you realize the importance of balancing your lifestyle. For example, you can't always do what's easy, quick, and automatic because that often gets us into trouble. But we can't always do what's thorough and analytical either because that leads to burnout and probably many other disturbances such as OCD. Besides that, we don't always have time to be analytical.